If you travel the world, you'll find innovation wherever you turn. Here's a snapshot of some of the most exciting new technologies that are currently in development. Starting off in South Korea. Meet CLOiD, a wheeled humanoid with articulated arms and 5-fingered hands that can fold laundry, unload the dishwasher, and even prep breakfast. LG calls its vision a zero-labor home. With its surprisingly charming cartoon-like eyes, CLOiD isn't just doing chores. It coordinates your entire smart home, anticipating needs, managing appliances on its own, and adapting in real time. LG calls this affectionate intelligence, powered by AI that combines vision, language, and spatial reasoning. It's proactive, not just reactive. Each arm has 7 degrees of freedom, giving CLOiD near-human dexterity. Think pulling croissants from the oven, stacking clothes, or serving meals. The catch? It's still a concept, which means even the most advanced robot can't replace human hands. Yet. Next stop, Switzerland. Your robot's next power source might come from the seafood counter. Researchers at EPFL in Switzerland have shown that langoustine shells, the ones restaurants toss by the ton, can be turned into functional robot actuators. For years, engineers have struggled to create materials that are both stiff and flexible. Crustaceans? They've been wearing the solution as armor for millions of years. The team reinforced tiny shells with elastomers and tendons. The result? A 3-gram component capable of lifting 680 grams, cycling 8 times per second. They've even built swimming robots reaching 11 centimeters per second. What makes this truly exciting? It's circular. Use the shell, let it decompose, reuse the synthetic bits. It's early days, lab success doesn't guarantee commercial robots on the market tomorrow, but when food waste starts outperforming engineered materials, it's worth paying attention. And our last stop is the United States. Precision medicine sounds revolutionary in theory. In practice, it's a data nightmare. Every patient generates mountains of information, genomic profiles, imaging, lab results, often scattered across incompatible systems. Tempus uses AI-powered precision medicine to make sense of it all. Upload a patient's genomic profile, and their AI doesn't just identify mutations, it predicts treatment response, drawing on real-world outcomes from similar cases. Their platform can analyze pathology slides using computer vision, match patients to clinical trials, and recently earned FDA clearance for cardiac AI that spots heart problems from routine ECGs. The newest addition is David, a generative AI assistant embedded directly in hospital systems. It monitors patient data in real time, essentially like having a research team running quietly in the background of every appointment. The critical question remains, does this actually improve patient outcomes? With so many top hospitals integrating the technology, we're about to find out. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.